Hello everybody, welcome back to part 3 of our DIY aircon cleaning series featuring our American Home 0.5 HP unit. Today, I'll be showing you how I clean our air conditioning unit and I'm excited to share some tips with you all. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. So let's get started. For this cleaning session, we'll be using a power spray to use it easier to remove the dust and dirt from our AC. So you can choose where to start based on your preference, but I'll begin with the evaporator coil and the blower wheel. So it's important to ensure that we remove as much dirt as possible. While we may not achieve 100% clean, we can definitely make a noticeable difference. Next, we'll move on to the fan blade, the condenser coil, and everything else that needs attention. So remember, regular cleaning helps maintain the efficiency of our air conditioning unit and prolongs its lifespan. So that's all for today's video. If you haven't followed and subscribed yet, so make sure to hit that button for more DIY cleaning tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you next time.